Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the plugin optional parameters. I'll open in a different tab uh, the help section, and for shortcode you have these four optional parameters. So I've created a new player. As you can see, the playlist is empty and I'm not going to use the playlist. Instead, I'll just use the shortcode with some optional parameters. So in this page, I'm going to add the shortcode and I'm going to use these parameters. So the first one, this one is optional, so I'll skip it. I'll go to title, and the last one, author. So the title will be my title. Of course, you'll add the song title and the song author. For the MP3 file, I'll do media library, or maybe I already have the link from a different server. So this is my file. I'll copy the URL and I'll paste it here. Update. One last thing, it will be a good idea to hide the playlist, since I have only one item in the playlist. So all these three values will be false. Now when we'll view the page, you'll see the new player with my song added.